Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to take this lovely body and we're going to do some light relicking. We're going to scratch it, I'm going to cut it a little, and you're going to see the beauty that will be revealed beneath. Remember the black? Remember the dark stain? Oh, it's in there. Let's crack this jawbreaker. Well, and there you have it, guys. So here is the relic job. So I did work it a little bit more in some spots where you typically will see wear. This is where my arm rests, so it's getting a little bit more there. And in the back, most of it is like that belt rash. So you get a couple of thicker gashes and then just a lot of general wear. A couple of nicks. And I really like the look of some of these tellies where a lot of the edges is just where they get banged. So that's what I went for. And once this is on there, that's gonna look pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more of this content, and follow me with the rest of this build. Started out thinking I'm gonna do kind of a light relic, And I think I went just a little above light, but definitely not heavy, because I'm not banging stuff and making huge dents and stuff in the wood. I'm just kind of cracking away, peeling away some of the finish that I put on there. And I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's gonna look really sweet when it's done. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.